Amerika. So, magiging familiar tayo sa mga tao na kinatawan ng ating embahada dito. And through our organization, magiging tulay ulit dito sa ating government agency, sa ating embahada. And we have already distributed to you their cell phone number, addresses, where to contact them in case we encountered some problems. That is why our organization, Peltic, is an accredited community partner that is linked with our embassy staff here in Eastern Province. And today we will be issuing to you your certificate of your completion with the seal of staff of our embassy. So, yan ang nagpapatotoo na sila at tayo ay may ugnayan sa ating gobyerno. At ang certificate na ito